Kau dulu lagi.
Taruh ini sah. क्यों लगाता है? Jangan. Mau disalah lagi.
Ki pulen karib hoy nengamiet klami surok biang mentala si na phangi ki kali ki bayat bayeng surok ba National Highway 6 hakathan bernihat hadian ba ki patba kilas dang wande mon biang klem khen snap iki an habanya kali bat ha kani ka jingtala si lalap babu ni ki patba kim phong helmet ringkat kadi bu an habanya kali bat na kalyang ki pulen kila dan kuna kattu katni bat bun na shu ai tang ka jing sneng bat ka jing hikai shwaban shim ni ki we pat ki sinjam bating e ringkat ka kuna Hakani ke jingtala si bala pilong habernihan na don ringkat ru da uba ban kerlang marwen DSP u Rubel Ali OC ke Bernihat Police Station u Michael Marak OC ke Nongpo Police Station lembat kiwe ki police officer haringkat ke jing snok tilang jong keseng RBYF Bernihat Circle hapo ke jing alam usamla Ricky Lapang President bat usamla Frankie Rani Vice President ringkat kidkhon
Hey, good. Heavy. Problema? कहाँ से है? कहाँ जाएगा? Thank you. अच्छा. Buk. Find it off. हाँ अभी नहीं पिया जाओ इंडा से ऐसा जवाब मत दो सीधा बात करो आपका प्रॉब्लम है ये दुकान लाइफ है समझ गया हम लोग का काम ऐसा कर रहे हैं तुम लोग को जाओ खाना खाओ अभी सो जाओ ओ मचा इधर से आया क्या मारो इसमें तो है लेकिन जरूर क्या है देखो का Hey, thank you, bhai. Yang mau mulai. Stop. Tera ka milane do, usko bata. Thank you. Safe journey. See these young guys. They don't feel good wearing helmet. They are giving excuses daily. We are conducting daily checking in Bernihat. Daily I am seeing them, these guys, they don't wear helmet. This is not the first time. This is the third or fourth time I am seeing them same thing. They don't feel shy. We feel shy. That we are requesting you to wear helmet and you don't feel shy to wear helmet. See, this is the young guys, future of our generation. So this is my request for the last time. Please wear helmet, save yourself, protect yourself. Your family will be waiting at home, nah? So, you wear helmet so that at least the accident also is there, your head will be safe, you will be safe. My request to you, as a younger brothers, please wear helmet. Okay? Thank you so much. Please wear helmet.
Good evening, everybody. Today, we have conducted an awareness program on drunk and driving. As there are lots of accident cases, like before also I told you when I was in traffic, that to prevent these accidents, we have to do checkings. So as I have joined here as Bernihat OC, so the first initiative I took on traffic awareness. So today also we are conducting a awareness program on drunk and driving. So we have checked so many vehicles and we have got so many drunkards, especially these truck drivers. Because of this drunk and driving, there are lots of accidents. In order to prevent the accidents, we have to conduct this drunk and driving. And I am very thankful to our Honorable SP who have given me this opportunity for checking. And I am very thankful for the RBYF President and all the guys of RBYF who have supported and participated in this awareness program. So in future also, we will conduct the same procedure, and for these lawbreakers, we will be very strict. Today we have checked this drunk and driving, but we have collected very less fine because this is awareness, not for fine. Today, first awareness, then second, we will be giving them the penalties. Thank you.
Hadin ka kubor bangilayo na po ka police department ya ka bernihat mau mencang tip berpet bagade ka outpost anri mentakal akla ka police station tingiyo ka city ka badan ngne mobile ba lamba jung osi jung ka bernihat police station ba bakandon ka jing kamra kan drive hapo ka bernihat posnon jung te ni tentu ke police ba ni kemen ba lada kia checking you kan drive nomor bun sin hangne khamtam ne po senang bernihat jungi ki bo bun ki ba accident mention man mencem teor ki dang sulap ba spot dead don po kabai lengba kabai jong KTM ting kundu saya ka police department pat ngi sokuman nagalang ka seng ruba ki khot bangnya don bentalang kum mangi hoaj nyemla bancem ya kata ka fan nyemla bancem de kum ngi giseng balang ngi de kenong chakri ki pajba ngini le ban pun thu ki pajba ba hakapor punya kali naidi nai bam ke bun sin kapan made ki pajba kapan i ba kane kamde namar ka ai kan sabat ta tengai kublai sibun ya ka police department ka bala simkian apo ka banihat kumjur SP sir ibala ai kum kane kalat ba kandon ka checking bat ngakarmen scam ban nang sekmat kamde nang menta kasni bakandon malla kasni ni kum kaseng nadu ngila pentip sha kibor rangba jungi napa sol budi bakela ai yang hukum ba ya mari banyak penstui ke pajba tengai kublai sibun ro ya police department yang pernihat ba nadu balawan ini sar batmai nganang be hapang batmai nomor ba ilawan ra ki light geleng nadu street light bagi ong geleng ilawan ra isu tenat bat nakal yang keseng ikentu tang kata ba nginya trailang nginya ai ka badon ngiru kat balangin penstui ki pajba ba nang sekmat pinam dai su bendi banbam hakabar ki ba pinya agali kane ka penwan jingman am taki pajba
Kay nikong do ngo banai kublai ya ki para member jungi ki bala apply nang kapor takasengi banginya don mentalang kane ka checking drunk and drive but ya bancek ya kini ki kena ki banyak kam helmet te dan kini si kumbala patai presiden jungi ka don sisa kata ka accident ma arngut ki kena samla ki ladu ya la musim te kane kalong ka ba susi nanta ki kena ki samla jungi te ngi nakaleng keseng kwa banai musim ya kini samla ba ki de bendeng helmet ba kinya kali ba di kini ki banyak kali ba kamtam kita kamta singi lap isya ya kini ki badi ma ki ban ba pendukam ya ki jingbendi buat akan ka singi ba ngi isya ya kita kalau nggak jingma namta kini ki nonglet nongwan ki ba kamtam hakpor mit si beje ar beje mono ban ya pa kita ma salinkin kilit tendra ki yat be ndan bi ya kata ka jing accident tekane ke kalau kajing mana ta ki pajba te ngi kuntu sisa ki kamtam ki pajba ba kimde ban penukam ya jingdi ma ba binya haba pinya kali haba pila adabnya kali di apa piman melele te nakaleng kaseng jungi Indonesia ya kata ka jikit kli nam ta ki pajba kamtam ya kane ka bernihat kadang ka busy area ni ba kalong ka highway ka balong busy sya du kata ka lek kawan dengan soban ai kuble kamtam ya yosi jungi i sarubul bala penyo ya kini ki humgat ma aman lagi cek ki turning point ba lengba jungki ka don sisa ka jing sengan namta kali kawan ki pajba takane kalong kabasdonat namta jungi ka seng te ni ba kane ka outpost ngi kalong police station tengi kwa ya kane police station makan pendukam sisa ya kata kateng ka police station ma bagindon ka checkpoint manla ka por om tangane singi bangi don mengimta nei kadang don sisu manla ka por ba cek ma lese hadis tayo atayo kasong ka jing la ka jungki te lese kai ke ulang bastonat namta jungi kum ka seng te ngi kuntu ba kidang tray susu kamba tangkine ten kublai shibun
Sebab competition jungi kam judai ka touch dan kam kodyat madiat they are never our competition jungi kidai mangi para guest house para instay para homestay kaya mangisak sadaniti email pa jung apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house la neka homestay ke por bangi penkala ngi ai kerteng ka orange homestay tingi sedang sya naka 4 rooms tangba naka 4 rooms ni sutho ba ma nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand naka daw ka floor jang ki torres ila sedang bod hadin ngin sala ban expand jo showroom at current ni dan khatsan room habawan kun kini kita kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kum kini ki big companies bawan shik ni kalong big opportunities hingi ki youth bangin yo company how jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma bangin la dak puli hingi jaka bangin tap shabar ngi la yo ban tap aka state la jong Kitoris kilong lakajong kajong ka segment mo. Uba kambit kambiang ulit sa. He'll go for touch. Lani who want that luxury experience ulit touch. Budget travelers kilay hakim modal. Takidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha pam kini ki instay ki. Tang kata hang labar ka bes bakam danjing thot iro yang ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lani ki instay lani kibai ki bentaro recently ngadang show receive kawai ka award ma katin ba ka gold award jang to sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka tekan ka ni kawai ka pini ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lot ya baro ka trahi ban promote lot ya baro